Okay. Lynn, can you see teacher's screen?
Yeah.
Okay. So let's have speaking activity. Okay. So here we go. Let me share to you the screen for the speaking activity. Okay. Lynn, let's do task 5. Look at the picture and answer the questions. Number 1, Lynn, what is in the picture?
It's a cat.
It's a kite. Do you like playing kites, Lynn?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Next, Lynn, what do you do in your free time?
It's doing homework. Play game.
Okay. On your free time, you sometimes do homework and play. What do you play, Lynn, during your free time? What do you play? I play.
Play game.
Again.
I play with block game.
Okay. Who do you play with?
I play with my friends.
Again.
I play with my friends.
Okay. What are the name of your friends, Lynn?
I love school.
Okay. Lynn, where do you play with your friend? In the house, in the school, or in the park? Where do you play?
Play in the house.
Okay. All right, Lynn. Next, Lynn, look at the picture. What is in the picture?
This milk.
Again, it's a
This milk.
milk. Okay, it's a milk. Do you drink milk every day?
Yes.
Yes. What time of the day you drink milk? Is it morning, lunchtime, afternoon, or nighttime?
This this episode. Imagine
Again, Lynn. It's
this episode. Imagine
oh, all right. Okay, Lynn. What do you think, Lynn? Is the milk good for your health or not?
yes.
Yes, it is. What does it do to our body, Lynn? What does it do to our body? The milk can
The milk.
the milk can
The
can it make us grow tall? Can it make us fat? Can the milk make us intelligent? What does it do to our body?
this charm.
What else?
And smart.
It can make you smart. Okay, Lynn, milk can make you grow tall and it will make your bones strong. Okay, that's why we drink milk so that it will, so that our bones will be strong. Now here, let's do task 6. Okay, Lynn, what can you see in the picture, Lynn?
And can see the fish. And the frog. The animal. The And she and this
Okay. So look at here. How many people can you see in the picture, Lynn?
I can see as you go.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 people. And how about animals? What are the animals can we see in the picture?
This duck, duck and fish.
Okay. We can see dogs, dog, and fish. How many dogs can you see in the picture?
I can see two ducks.
How about fish, Lynn? How many fish can you see?
There are five fish.
Okay. And how about dogs? How many dogs can you see in the picture?
Two ducks.
Okay. 2. All right. There we go. Okay. So here. Okay. Lynn, where are these children in the picture? Where are they?
Insurance is
Okay.
she
Okay. They are on the beach. Now here, can you see how many people or how many students are there in the water?
trees too.
Okay. There are 3 children in the water. And what are they doing, Lynn?
There's a plate above and
Mhm. They're playing a ball. And the other one? How about the others? What are they doing?
then
Okay, swimming. All right. And how about the girls inside the boat? What are these girls doing inside the boat?
there was a
Girls are,
there was
okay, girls are
there was
eating. Can you see the girls inside the boat? Can you see them?
yes
Okay, what are they doing again? They are,
there's eating
okay, they are eating. What are they eating, Lynn?
eating of pie.
Okay. It could be a cake or a sandwich. And how about the mom and her son in the picture? Can you see the mother and the son in the picture?
And some there's this of
Hmm? And how about the mother?
the umbrella.
All right. So here, the mother in the picture is reading a book while her son is playing on the sand. Okay. So there you go. So Lynn, listen. So I will not give you another activity because this is already time. And of course, this is your last test. Okay. So Lynn, in your last test, you did great. You got perfect in most of your activity. Congratulations, Lynn, for a job well done. Okay. So since that is our last test in the movers, next meeting, we will be now moving to movers. Are you ready for the movers? Ready? Okay, that's great to hear, Lynn. You'll be moving to movers since you did great. And your last activity today. Was it easy for you, Lynn? Was it easy?
Is eating.
Okay, Lynn, you're so smart because you did great in this activity. I know it's a bit easy for you, okay? So, Lynn, I will not hold you long. That would be all for today, Lynn. See you next time and goodbye, Lynn. See you again. Bye-bye.
Is eating.
Okay, goodbye.